Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make an international wire transfer using Santander Bank in 2025, step by step and easy to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Santander Online or mobile banking. Open the Santander app or go to their website and sign in securely. Step 2. Go to Transfers. On the dashboard, tap Transfers and select International Transfer or Wire Transfer. Step 3. Add a recipient. Enter the recipient's full name, bank name, IBAN or account number, and SWIFT BC code. Make sure these details are accurate. International transfers can't be reversed easily. Step 4. Enter the transfer amount and currency. Choose how much to send and in what currency. Santander may show the exchange rate and fee details before you confirm. Step 5. Review and confirm. Double-check all details, including the recipient's info, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer using your Santander key or security code. Step 6. Track your transfer. You'll get a confirmation receipt. The transfer typically takes 1 to 5 business days, depending on the country and bank. Tip: always verify the recipient's bank info, especially the SWIFT code, to avoid delays or failed transfers. And that's it. That's how you send money abroad using Santander Bank in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more smart banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.